Welcome back, Maida. So Maida is finally gonna spend 2 days with the Dream Team.
Yes.
In Trenchtown.
Yes.
You know, welcome back.
I'm excited. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So Maida been in the country for like 2 weeks now, free?
No, I've been here almost 2 months.
Almost 2 months. So she well quarantined already. As well too.
So we have a mixture of everything.
Yeah, so we have a mixture of stuff. All the donors they must send by. We have a mixture of toys and gifts for the kids them. So we have T-Jam and TNT. We sponsor the ice creams for the kids from New Jersey.
We have all of the donors them all across the world.
Yeah. So we have everyone.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
So we got Maida. Welcome back, Maida. So Maida is finally gonna spend 2 days with the Dream Team.
Yes.
In Trenchtown.
Yes.
You know, welcome back.
I'm excited. Thank you for having me.
Yeah. So Maida been in the country for like 2 weeks now, free?
No, I've been here almost 2 months.
Almost 2 months. So she well quarantined already.
Quarantine way over.
Way over. So she's back again with the Dream Team to spend some time together. You know, help her do some work. You know, give her a helping hand. I will can't stop thanking her for that.
Yeah.
Welcome back again, Maida.
Thank you.
So there's a hostel in Trenchtown.
Okay.
Where Maida is gonna stay for the first time.
Yeah.
So we're gonna check it out.
This Shavar, this is my love Shavar. We're here together.
Yes, Shavar. We got yourself, Shavar. See it there. So we're gonna check out the Airbnb in Trenchtown on First Street, right next to Bob Marley Culture Yard.
Tell her your name, Chevrolet.
What's your name now?
Chevrolet.
Yeah, so this is Sophie, you know. She's the one that also involved in Culture Yard as well too.
Yeah, man, I met you once before over there. Okay, that's
yeah,
right.
she was in there at the time.
Yeah.
So this is Maida first experience spending 2 nights in Trenchtown now, you know. So she wanna help out with the Dream Team, put in some work and things.
That's good.
So this is the Airbnb in Trenchtown. So if anybody wanna come, Trenchtown whenever, we got the space already. Airbnb. So okay, what's the name of the?
It's called Talking Blues Hostel. Talking Blues
Hostel.
That's the name.
So them can Google it.
Yeah, man, it is on booking.com. It is on Airbnb, but I mostly get all my bookings from booking.com. Booking.com, Airbnb.
So booking.com people.
And it's on Google Maps as well.
Yeah. Query. At the right place there.
Can go ahead.
Yeah, alright then. Yeah, more than welcome. Yeah.
Inside, so you can smoke on the balcony, smoke wherever.
Yeah.
You can open the windows.
So you see nice and lovely. Fresh air.
Right.
I have nice name with them always sung on the tree there. Getting some cool drinks. Very cool. Nice Airbnb right here in Trenchtown, you know?
Right in the heart, right?
Right in Trenchtown. So you can see the beautiful bathroom as well, toilet. Woo! Oh, chef, that's a whoa. Oh, chef, that's a whoa.
Nice.
Whoa. So this is our first Dream Team guest staying over in
really?
Trenchtown. Yeah, staying over.
I think I was almost the first to come to Trenchtown.
Yeah, the first time. But this time the first time sleeping in Trenchtown.
Sleeping in Trenchtown, no.
You know, for 2 nights.
Yes.
Spending time with the Dream Team.
Yeah,
to
today
help
I'll
out.
hang out, give out some things, and tomorrow I'll do some work.
Yeah.
Yeah, get my hands dirty.
Yeah. So that's the first. So we're looking to see many to forward.
Yes.
To help out to do this.
Yes,
year.
come. It's a beautiful thing, yes.
Of course. So the view now, right over. Yeah, Boys Town School. Yeah. Okay. So you know, Boys Town are rebuild. The housing are rebuild over there and everything. The roofing for the school. It's a good look.
Yes, it is.
So you like the spot?
I love it.
I'm happy you are.
Everyone comes here, always love us still.
Yeah, cool as well.
We have to know how to spend 2 nights and spend the whole time till we go back home.
No one go back.
We get good reviews on Booking.com, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we get good reviews from Booking.com.
Well, definitely it's a good look. Can't compare, I like the look. You know.
And the downstairs, but somebody in there. Man, leave today still there for 2 months.
Oh, you have another guest downstairs?
Yeah, man. No, stay back downstairs, Daddy. Go downstairs. The bag not taking in the kitchen.
Spraga, prefect.
Nice to meet you again. Back again, alright? Okay. Alright. One. Dream Team. What dear. Everybody alright?
Yeah.
Alright, good.
Yeah, Baja, see that?
Yeah, said God.
The Zaga Zao chef. Oh, chef there. Remember the names? Remember Zaga Zao? Where you have Baja. You have my name. And you have Zaga Zao. You have Wormy. And you have the Rasta Boom.
Rasta Boom.
Yeah, Rasta Messi, you know. And you must know that's Light Park, son. It's Light Park, son. And you remember
Everybody alright?
Cracksman. Angela. What are you them? Peter. What are you?
It's our place, right?
The painter, yeah.
Painter.
So you know, so you made her spend 2 days in Trenchtown, you know? Yeah. So she got stay down at Sophia, down at our Airbnb. So you know she there for hang out with the Dream Team. All P there. There upon so made her there 2 days.
Alright, let me check it out. May I come in?
The wash of the now. Natish. This is Maida. Maida, this is Natisha.
Pleasure. Nice to meet you.
You know, the painter already know to mess up the place. Paint are ready for mess up the place now.
Can't wait till I can get my dream team home.
Yeah, the dream team home. Definitely
Yes.
soon. Yeah, sure. You can go and chill with them, see me. Baja said, as I'm saying, I'm going to take care of the maid.
That's what you mean. She good, man. We are saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, she good,
Taking
man.
care of.
Yeah, man.
Where are you ready?
You ready when I call
You
it?
get something? Be like. One team.
Dream Team kids.
Yes, sir.
Boys, them ready, you know.
Only. Them ready.
Ready, man. Man, we're ready.
Them out.
Out. Coming bad. Have you a look round? Have you a look round? Scanna around there. Oh no. Well, Scanna, we are rolling. Jeez.
It's moving and grooving.
Yeah. What kind of tea you have? Regular spot. Oh, Scanna. Scanna, you made that tea there. How kind of tea is Scanna be?
So what's up, Lee?
So,
Aki.
so what's up leaf for Aki? Aki leaf. And you use milk as well? So, and sugar. So what's up leaf for Aki leaf? Made that other one before? Is that stroke tea? Prevent from stroke?
Liquid stroke.
Who tell you about that one there?
Philip.
Philip? I first me about that one there. My first time. I gotta try it.
We just a pop up with smile.
Oh, the milk. Should have used no milk with it, Scanna. Yeah. Alright, Scanna. So we have Maida here. And she brought something for you.
Carry a pillow for you, just cover myself. So yeah, so nights, hot, keep it nice and cool daytime. You flex during the day. You cool at night. Okay. You're very welcome, very welcome.
We press it back in the bag and give liquor in partner, you know. Them say Scanna wife.
Right?
And that they was say. Scanna mash up him ackee leaf and soursop leaf.
That's good.
Mash it up. So Scanna, everything good though. You see the jolliness and see the smile on your face, you know. Keep it up, see you, man. Scanna looks so different now there.
Good.
And you look young.
Amazing. Wow, ready.
Yeah, so we have to give thanks to all the donors them, you know, the Almighty.
Yes, the Almighty, every time.
Make all of this possible for Scanna, you know, from where it's coming from to where it is.
Nature mighty.
Yeah, nature mighty. Alright then. You know say Almighty.
Tell you a joke now.
Yeah.
The time we drop off my brother and call Jesus and God. Come lift me up on the bed. I know they don't come.
How who come? Liquor?
Kid. Kid and liquor.
Yeah. So you know say him send them come. Him send them come, you know. Cause him have to send them. Cause no one can tell him see the Almighty in person. Marius.
First voice them on there.
Eh?
Have a dead first.
Yeah. So him send him angels. So that's why him never come. Because they know if him come and you that. Alright. So once you alive,
Now come.
him nah come. So him send him angels them. So him send liquor as one of them and all the donors them to help you for your journey. Alright. So we have to give thanks, yeah? So you can go and enjoy your breakfast,
Yes.
I know we're gonna touch the road. Yeah, it's heating fast. Alright then, take care, yeah? Scanna?
Right.
It's a live team.
Alright, peace and blessings, alright?
Scanna in the team, man, in the team.
Come on, what's your
Come in again.
That's the plan.
Yes, different.
Yeah.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man. Can I put my towel?
Take out the thing, hallelujah.
Here, so.
So, Stacy, Chips, this is Maida from the US. She always watch you praying as well too. And the little boy always talk about hallelujah.
Yes, hallelujah.
So she bring a Bible for you.
I carry the Bible for you, alright? If you're home, got to have that. You're very welcome.
Thanks to the Bible. And God bless you. And God will open more doors to you. And nice to meet you.
Maida.
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Yeah, so I'm going in a feel mood. Alright,
Thank you.
yeah. Where daddy? I'm inside. Are daddy your call? Oh, go on, General. Shante. She said, could you fit her? Just call and all. Oh, go on, General. Shante, this is Maida.
You remember me from last night? You're very welcome.
Wow.
Give you something to do. You're very welcome.
Thank you very much, you know what I mean? She never want to talk about she wants a dolly and everything.
Oh, see, you get a dolly.
Yeah.
You get your dolly now.
I felt the vibration. Oh, I'm not here. Oh, okay, the sun not here.
Yeah.
Oh, you just bring a pillow, something soft to lay on, alright? Nice and colorful.
Alright, here's dolly.
You hear that? It's a nice pillow for you. What should I talk to you, darling?
Alright.
Some slippers, in case you want to walk around, go on the road or something. You're very welcome.
Alright, and your dolly. Take care. Alright, look who gave up our dream.
Look more. Yeah.
Alright then, dolly. Bye bye, dolly.
Bye. Watch out with the jewels.
Scanna's walking.
Scanna walking.
Straight to you, man. I can get mango.
Bring mango for you.
Whoa.
Oh, Scanna. Long time we not see Scanna out.
But shoot, that you man have on a genius.
Hold on a bit.
Morning early, you know, wow.
Yes, sir. It means Scanna. Scanna, take your time. Take your time, walk. Take your time, my general. Scanna walk road now, you know?
Step on road, you know.
Oh,
You pop the road.
so you just walk around here. Even much better.
Yeah, I want to tell you, we pop them, but since crowd, nothing want the two burn a certain thing.
Okay. Zaga zaga zao.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what young kid man are doing in the kitchen?
Yeah, man, fried fish. You know what I want to, you know. Yeah.
Alright, I put it
I'm
on.
a dream team, you know.
Yeah,
One team. So every man have a
yeah, you know?
Yeah.
round or so, man have a
Flexible.
You understand?
Yeah.
They say you can have treat for the kids them.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
hectic work. They say for the dream team.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
man have to help with in another way.
Yeah, yeah.
So real man. You don't know young children have a fried toe fish too.
Yeah.
You understand?
Let's go, right?
Yeah. So all man cook.
And lecture as well. And lecture.
I take you, get it up, I take young children, man, take them out. I lecture Friday. I lecture Friday.
Oh, you want to take them out?
Yeah, I lecture Friday.
Alright, so here man, Marvin.
Yeah.
We're going to big up Sandy Love.
Sunday love.
Yeah.
Sandy Love, you love we, you know.
I big up Sandy Love from New York.
You see?
Place.
Nice and peace. Yeah, give us Sandy Love.
So we have fry fish.
Sandy Love, no love and respect, you know.
Fry fish and nice and peas.
Yeah, man. Nice and peace. You know, it's a blessing, you know.
Yeah, so Sandy Love from New York. Blessings and give thanks.
Blessings, man.
Yeah, give thanks to the Sunday.
Yeah, man.
I let you on Friday and today, is it?
Yeah.
Alright, no. God bless you, is it?
And young trade man I help out.
Yeah. That's the word.
Yeah, and nice and peas. The whole DreamTeam in the kitchen to the blessings and give thanks and super time.
Everybody take part in the kitchen, you know?
Yeah.
Get some water. Some water.
So I'm going to check what I go on from the kids them trees.
Yeah, man.
So I don't know, we have to dig up every time.
We're active in our kitchen now. You see, blessing love to do one of them, you know.
Yeah, Sunday love. Blessings and give thanks to the
Blessings,
DreamTeam.
you know, I do for it. You keep it active.
From New York.
From New York.
Yeah.
And the worship is New York.
Twice.
You get me?
Our place.
So I'm putting in the work, you know?
Put in the work.
Yeah,
We are treat the kids there.
blessing love, man. Give thanks.
Ice cream and them thing there.
Yeah.
Water.
See. So look at it.
Yeah, man.
So big up yourself, Ricardo. You know, T-Jam and TNT for the ice cream for the kids. Baby. And the DreamTeam ladies. So we have the clean team ladies is here. Baby. And we have to big up T-Jam and TNT for the ice cream for the kids.
Blessings. Big up T-Jam and TNT for the ice cream for the kids. Well appreciate. Their food basket never empty. Blessings. Stay safe.
And Ricardo, big up yourself as well to Ricardo.
I don't know, you know.
With the gifts for the kids. And also you have other donors that we send barely, you know, we have ties mixed up in it as well too.
So we have a mixture of everything.
Yeah, so we have a mixture so of all the donors they must send barely, we have a mixture of toys and gifts for the kids them. So we have T-Jam and TNT who sponsor the ice creams for the kids from New Jersey.
We have to pick up all of the donors them all across the world.
Yeah. So we have everyone. So we have Ali, as usual, I got under the kids them.
Yeah, so you know the kids them are the future, you know. So we have to look after the future, you see.
Yeah.
Big up to all of the donors them overseas. You see, so we make it possible for the kids them.
Yeah.
You see, we give them nice ice cream. We participate in the kitchen a while ago, say nice and peas and fish. You see, so I say. You see me I say? So big up all of the donors them, may on a food basket never empty. May the Lord continue to keep and bless you. You see, I'm only completely there, you know.
We big up T-Jam and TNT.
T-Jam and TNT.
Yeah, from New Jersey.
From New Jersey.
For the ice cream for the kids them.
For the ice cream for the kids them.
Yeah. T-Jam
and TNT from New Jersey. I know I'm a place that I always come there, so, you know, but big up on yourself again, you know. And much love we say, you know, you see.
Yeah.
We are doing this for the kids them. You see me I say, and them are the future.
So them there.
I say,
and look, you have all the DreamTeam kids them over here too.
DreamTeam kids them in there.
So you have the DreamTeam kids them over here as well too. What DreamTeam kids? DreamTeam! One team! Oh, the DreamTeam kids them out. And we have Blackie over there. Yeah.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving, someday we will make it there. So be a better day. Gonna be a better end.